Hi guys, welcome to Center Seat with the Anonymous Click. My name is Unmesh and I'm going to be reviewing a film called Daddy today. Arjun Rampal's passion project finally released. The biopic of Arun Gauri, directed by Ashim Ahluwalia, literally feels like a passion project and it reflects the most in Arjun Rampal's acting. He has given one of his career best performances in this film. The entire idea of a biopic is based on the fact, a good biopic that is, that the look of the characters has to be authentic and the time in which the film is based also has to be reflected in the entire look. The production design, costumes and the makeup of this film have aided in creating the world of the 70s and the 80s so beautifully. And the makeup and costumes have created uncanny similarities between the characters who play real life gangsters, especially Arjun Rampal's uncanny similarity again with Arun Gauri and Farhan Akhtar, who plays Dawood, by the way. His similarity to Dawood is very pleasantly surprising. It was really nice to look at it. It made you feel that you were going to be lost in the entire story, which you do to a certain extent, but there are a few problems. Pacing being one of them, also too many flashbacks because the story is told through a non-linear narrative, but the director loses control of the entire linearity because you're not sure in what time you are, and when you realize you've reached present time, the last 15 minutes or so of the film went by so fast that I thought I was going to get whiplash because of the pace of the film. The other part which was kind of disappointing was the music, because yes, it added pauses when it was necessary, it created a little bit of tension when it was necessary, but it was nothing out of the ordinary. What was out of the ordinary, however, was the cinematography and the editing. The entire creation of drama is based on these two elements in this film, because a lot of close-ups of Arjun Rampal create so much drama because there is nothing much happening. You just see him breathing or smoking a cigarette, and there is a little bit of action, like a prop is moving in the background, and it is very like you're waiting for the next thing to happen. Also, there are a lot of long takes where they're just waiting to attack or to be attacked before, and then a lot of rapid action sequences take place where there is a lot of blood and gore, but that is what makes a gangster film a gangster film. I really enjoyed the dramatic tension created by the editing and the cinematography. I really wish the script had more oomph to it. But Nishikant Kamath and Arjun Rampal, Nishikant Kamath plays the cop who is behind Arjun Rampal's character. They both hold together the film, and it is really, really nice to see a story that we are so familiar with put together on such a big canvas. The only main problem that I had, apart from those pacing problems with the script, was that the actors kept mumbling their dialogues throughout. It was very difficult to listen to even dialogues which were said out loud and not just as a whisper between the characters. I really wish that that wasn't there, because if it was trying to create a dramatic effect, it did not translate, it just frustrated me. But for the performances, for the look of the film, and for the dramatic tension created by the editing and the cinematography, I have to give this film 3 clicks out of 5. This has been Center Seat with the Anonymous Click. My name is Unmesh, and I will see you next time.